Aubrey was her name. I'm not so very ordinary girl only, but who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the heart that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the word that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped the line and danced together to the moon.